Hey y'all, this is Nadine here, and today we're going to take a look at the new release CasaBrews Espresso machine. This is a semi-automatic espresso machine. It's going to give you that coffee house feel while still being beginner friendly. We're going to look at some of the features and we're going to test it out. It was sent to me to share with you guys, but my opinions are all my own. And if you guys do decide that you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link right in the description below. I do earn from those links, but that's at no extra cost to you. So what makes this one different right away is the built-in grinder at the top. So each shot is going to have whole beans straight into your espresso. It grinds at different levels from 1 to 30. So 1 would be as fine as it gets, then 30 would be the coarsest. If you want to make an espresso shot, you're going to go to a lower end. Making an Americano or something else, you're going to be a little bit high. It also has a 20 bar pressure system, which was what helps create that rich crema on your espresso shot. It has an LCD display showing grind and extraction progress, which makes it easier to control your shots. And then, of course, it does have the steam wand also, so you can make lattes, cappuccinos, and all of that. So there is 6 settings on there that you can do: ristretto, espresso single, double, lungo, Americano, and the cold brew. It goes up to 20 bar, and then it's going to show you how much of a press it's doing and how long it's been going on. You can actually see what kind of shot you're extracting in there. You can set the grind to single or double or manual, which is going to give you complete control of the machine. So the start-stop button is for the grind, so you start it and stop it when you need to. That's for manual. And then the grind time is how you change it from single, double, or manual. We are getting ready to do a double shot, but before, let's go through it a little bit more. You also have complete control of the temperature of the water coming into the coffee to set it at what you want. Hot coffee is always better. You just press the temperature button, then there's a volume button. There is a button for hot water if you just want hot water, and then your steam button, your flush button, and your descale button. The wand is on the side. You can move it around if you need. It also comes with an accessory box that'll have everything in it. The grinder is always going to be in there. The portafilter, as well as this little brush that you can actually clean out little nooks and crannies to where the coffee is stuck. This is the little needle that you actually clean out the wand with, the inside of the wand when you need to. Also comes with a blind filter. The blind filter doesn't have any holes in here, so this is what you would do with this is put it in here and then lock it in, and then you would press flush, and the flush is going to take the water inside the machine and clean it on the inside. So you have your single shot in here and your double shot in here. The dose funnel over here, it's got the little openings. You put it right through. Now let's go ahead and pull a double shot. So a double shot, we have it on right now. So let's go ahead and pull some coffee. If you turn it on and it doesn't work, that means this is closed. Still make sure you open it up so you can actually pull the shot. Now we did make it very fine for the espresso. We're gonna pull it out. And make sure when you're doing the espresso, I don't wanna bang on here. It's actually, you get it as straight as possible. There's little brushes, it doesn't come with it, but smooth it out with, so it becomes as straight as possible. The straighter the shot is, the better shot it's going to be. And also, let's go ahead and tamper it down. Okay. You can see in here, it says where it's insert and where it's lock. Right here you can see. All right, here we go. It's pretty good. It's got the foam at the top. It's going to be preheating right here after we press steam. And then when it's ready, I'm going to press steam again. So here we go with the foam. I'm going to stop the foam. All right. Now, I don't know how to do any kind of, but here we go. No, we don't know how to do art. we just spilled everything in there, and it still has that beautiful foam in there. And here we go. Works great. This is a great machine that we're actually going to test for the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for more videos of trying out different types of coffees and even some lattes and cappuccinos. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more of it, please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment. That really helps push everything out.